Hello guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to switch iPhone display to 60 Hz. If you want to save a little bit of battery and you want to switch your display to 60 Hz, in this video I'm going to show you how to do that. I recommend switching to 60 Hz instead of using low power mode on iPhone because low power mode makes everything a little bit laggy. So here's how to do it. Go to your settings. For some reasons you can't see the option in display and brightness, but it should be here. This is where you find it. Go to accessibility, click on motion, scroll all the way down. You're going to see where it says limit frame rate. Set the maximum frame rate of the display to 60 frames per second. So turn this on, and right now your display should switch to 60 Hz. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.